We only have 3 walls.
Well, now we have
We have a stalker.
Stalker. You know, we get a rug in this kingdom.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful.
I'm a stalker. She said I'm a stalker. Watch out.
Yes. You.
Alright, darling. I gotta go home. We have a sprinkle garden to ward out.
Yes.
We have like little fences around the sprinkle garden. Just like barbed wire, except it's not very barbed. Sorry, Daria's not getting the man. You guys had
Hey, so is this the sprinkle garden?
Yeah. We just grow sprinkles.
It's very colorful. So wait, why don't we use this for the thing? Because it's like
I can get around.
Oh, because this is the wall.
Actually, Trump's outside, so we gotta go.
Love you, girl. Have a good Christmas. I don't see you because I gotta be with my family the 19th of December.
okay.
Okay, we're gonna go.
This is our flower vase.
Love you, girl.
Okay, we need to finish the sandcastle.
Yeah, real quick. Yeah, these are all the walls. We have 5 walls. Yeah. And then we have a flower vase inside.
Yeah,
We have a rug. We have the complimentary hot dog bed.
or couch.
It's like a 3-in-1.
And then we'll stick this in there.
Yeah, that's a sleeping pod. He teleports in there.
What about this?
Shoot, that's like the doorbell, I guess.
Yeah.
You just leave the doorbell on the floor.
Their doorbell broke.
You have to go inside the house to ring the doorbell, and then you get kicked out for going inside the house. They're like, why didn't you ring the doorbell? I was inside the house.
Doorbell's inside the house. Then why don't you fix your doorbell? And your walls too. Your walls are always falling.
You don't have any roofs. How do you keep it warm in the rain? Well, now we have
floods.
We just take the ground from another country and put it on top of our house.
Take the ground from another country. Fix your walls, dude. Your walls.
Don't look at it. You can't see it because it's hiding under the country.
Yes, and this could be the chimney.
Yeah, we just have the world's biggest Coke can.
As a chimney.
Off-brand Coca-Cola can. We didn't get enough sponsorship money to be on brand, so it has to be off-brand. So now we have it's snowing, and this is all the snow.
It's raining snow gold and silver.
Yeah, and now it looks like Christmas lights.
And then this.
Yeah.
This is their swimming pool.
Oh yeah.
And then
These are like the residents, I guess. They kind of swim, and sometimes we use them as Christmas lights. They glow.
and then this is a diving board.
Yeah, this is just all the snow that's all around. It's
Yes!
just snow.
Yes, snow. And then this is like a little hideout back here.
Yeah, it's underneath this hill that says a country.
A
The
country.
country hill.
Yes. Okay, well now let's remove the roof and give a tour.
So let me show you this cool preview of my epic crib, one of a kind.
What?
You've never seen it.
The walls are falling.
Don't worry.
Dude, you need to fix your walls.
Don't look at it.
Okay.
The walls are temporary. We're getting new ones later. Don't worry about it.
What about your doorbell that's on the floor?
Well, this is our doorbell, and if we get 1 million subscribers in the next 2 months, we'll get it replaced and put on the door. For now, it stays on the floor. And then we have the king. He just kind of teleports everywhere. He just lives there, I guess. And then we have this guy. We don't know what he is, but we just call him SpongeBob because he's yellow, and we hope for the best. And he just kind of chills
Wait,
around.
why is SpongeBob a circle? I thought he was square, not a circle.
He's not allowed to be square. We don't have the copyright permissions for that.
Copyright?
They're gonna sue us. Oh, we have to. No. Copyright found us. We're gonna.
Okay, wait. You need to get your stuff. So this is
Yeah.
yours. This
We
is
got
yours.
DMCA'd again.
And then
to get our stuff. I had one squish here, and I just had these 3.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. There's the beautiful SpongeBob turned into a circle because Will got copyrighted.
We don't want to get sued.